OET score clubbing for nurses.
In the Occupational English Test, OET, score clubbing allows candidates to combine the best scores from 2 test sittings to meet the required overall scores for healthcare registration or migration. To qualify for score clubbing, both test sittings must occur within 12 months, and you need at least C+ 300 in each subtest from both sittings. The best scores from each test are combined to meet the requirements. For instance, if the requirement is B in listening, reading, and speaking, and C+ in writing, then you can combine scores like this. Sitting 1, listening 330, reading 350, writing 290, speaking 360. Sitting 2, listening 350, reading 340, writing 310, speaking 350. By combining, your scores would be listening 350, reading 350, writing 310, speaking 360, meeting the criteria. Remember, policies vary by organization, so always check with the relevant body, like the NMC, before proceeding. Also, ensure both sittings are from the same OET test provider. To improve your chances, focus on weak areas before your second attempt. Review your feedback, take mock tests, and set realistic goals for the best results. Good luck with your OET preparation, and remember, strategic planning can help you achieve.
More updates are on the way. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest updates on the syllabus and materials on OET. Stay tuned for insightful videos.